Well, I guess it's nice to experience something new at least once. And I did remember that guy. Oh, once I got to his island. I'll take that back. Yeah, I got my Switch too, but I haven't been able to play anything on it yet. I uh, I did load one of the Neptunia games on there. It's um, Game Makers, oh. And I'm downloading Mario Kart World right now. I'm actually confused as to what games are actually on the Switch too. I've I'm actually looking forward to the new Donkey Kong game, but it's almost like they didn't have any Switch 2 games ready to go. Now I know that's not true, but I this release was kind of weird. It's almost like well, Nintendo did some stuff, so maybe I should shut up. But anyway, I'm glad I got the console. It was just I was